Hello, Devon. This is Mayor Ray Ralph with an update on the province's COVID-19 response and some of the great things we are working on here at the town. Last week, a COVID-19 vaccine program was announced by the provincial government, outlining a plan for when the vaccine will be available to Albertans. Phase 1 of this plan has already begun, with our most at-risk population, including healthcare workers, paramedics, staff and residents in supportive living facilities, home care workers, and Indigenous peoples living in First Nations or Métis settlements. Effective February 24th, any Albertan born in 1946 or earlier will also be able to book an appointment for the vaccine through Alberta Health Services. Phase 2 of the vaccine program is scheduled to begin in April and will continue to work through the highest risk population before the vaccine is offered to the general public this fall. The most up-to-date information on the COVID-19 vaccine program, including how to book an appointment, is available at alberta.ca/COVID-19-vaccine. And I encourage everyone to have a look to see when you are eligible to receive this vaccine. 2 weeks ago, the province also announced their path forward to easing COVID-19 restrictions while continuing to protect Alberta's healthcare system. On February 8th, we entered into step 1 of the path forward, which saw restrictions eased on restaurants, indoor fitness, and children's sports. Dr. Dina Hinshaw also mentioned earlier this week that the province is considering moving into step 2 as early as March 1st, as the hospital case numbers have dropped below the 450 threshold. Step 2 would see restrictions loosened on retail, community halls, hotels, and indoor fitness and children's sports. There are 4 steps currently in the path forward plan, with at least 3 weeks between each step to assess the impacts on the case numbers before moving ahead with easing additional restrictions. As we move through each step, we will re-examine our programming and share any changes at our facilities or additional programs that we will be able to offer safely to our residents. We also have some other great news to share, as we have been continuing to work hard through this pandemic to keep moving our community forward. On January 28th, we received approval from the province to legally form a transit service commission with our 7 municipal partners that would see full-time transit service becoming a reality here in Devon. There is still a lot of work to do with the newly formed Edmonton Metropolitan Regional Transit Commission, and we are thrilled to be a part of this to bring new level of service to our community. Additional information about the new Transit Commission is available on our website at devon.ca/rtsc. We also have an update on our recreation facility expansion plans for the Dale Fisher Arena. On January 25th, Council awarded TBD Architecture and Urban Planning the design and engineering contract for the new facility. TBD is currently in the process of engaging key stakeholders and user groups as they work towards a preliminary design of the facility, which will include 2 sheets of ice and an indoor pool. Once the preliminary design plans are finalized in the spring, we will share them with the public for feedback before entering into detailed design of the plan. Last but far from least, our community service department has been doing an amazing job this year with bringing programs to our residents in virtual and other ways. From virtual moccasin building and stress reduction workshops to family bingo, we have worked hard to have programming available for everyone in our community. Our recreation programs are updated regularly and are all available for registration at devon.recdesk.com. Thank you again, Devon, for everything you have been doing to help move these COVID-19 numbers down. It has been a long year, but we are still in this together, and it's great to see some positive news as the province works towards safely reopening.